How to buy gift cards with Afterpay. First things first, the process is going to be the same if you're going to be using the web version or even the application of Afterpay. Open up any browser available on your end, just head directly to afterpay.com's official website. Once you're here, locate the search box and then just simply type in gift cards. Now, this is where you will have to choose a specific gift card that you will purchase using Afterpay. So say for example, we'll choose on any random just for this tutorial here. And what you want to do next is just to simply add the specific gift card directly to your cart. Once you have successfully added it, all you have to do next is to log into your Afterpay credentials for you to officially make the payment using your Afterpay. And that's it. It's how you buy gift cards with Afterpay.